Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can share the Wi-Fi password and the Wi-Fi network by the Airdrop feature on your Apple devices. So the only thing what you need to do is adding to contacts the other Apple device. Expect the thing where when you log it into the same account on the App Store, so it should work automatically. And now I'm trying to connect to the GSM Center network on my MacBook. And if nothing happens here, try to lock your phone, unlock it again, type your password, and the pop-up I can see appears automatically. Now we can tap on the share password, and voila, now I'm connected from the MacBook to the same Wi-Fi network. And that's it, this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.